Okay, Judge Judy fans, let's see what's going on in her courtroom today.
All parties in the matter of Cardinas Carlson versus Taylor. Step forward.
All right, so we've got Cardinas versus Taylor.
And her mother, Kimberly Carlson, are suing motorist Jamie Taylor for an accident on the road.
Miss Cardinas, you were driving.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're her mother and you own the car. You weren't in the car.
Yes.
You can sit down. You and Miss Taylor were in a car accident.
Yes.
And you claim that it was Miss Taylor's fault. Your
Yes.
car was damaged. You want her to pay for the repair. Miss Taylor said the accident was your fault. She sold her car at a devalued price and she has a counterclaim. When did this accident happen?
November 3rd, Your Honor.
Of this year?
Yes.
What kind of car were you driving?
A 1999 Toyota Solara.
And you?
A 2004 Volkswagen Passat.
At the time that you were driving your car, did you have insurance?
Yes.
At the time that you were driving your car on the 3rd of November, did you have insurance?
Okay, let's stop right there. That's a major no-no in front of any judge. If you're driving a car without car insurance, candidly, that's just going to piss the judge off. And you don't have a very good chance right from the get-go because you're violating the law. And that's why this is in front of Judge Judy, because if both of the drivers had car insurance, one way or another, the insurance companies would figure out who's at fault and cover the damage to that car, unless for some reason both drivers had some fault. Then the money going back and forth is typically apportioned based on who has the whatever percentage of fault. So that gets a little more complicated, but for here, they're in front of Judge Judy because this lady isn't carrying car insurance. My best guess is she's gonna get her butt kicked regardless of what the facts of the case are, because I think Judge Judy's gonna be pissed off. Let's see what happens.
That's why we're here. Why were you driving the car without insurance?
There you go, right? First question, why don't you have insurance, right? Doesn't really matter what this lady's answer is, it's still gonna piss Judge Judy off.
We just got it running. It was broke down, and we just got the car fixed. And I ran across the street to AM/PM and got in a fender bender.
When was the last time you had insurance on the car?
I have it now. I had it.
Prior to November 3rd, when was the last time you had
It was broke down for about a year. Probably
1
about
year.
a year. Yeah. It was sat in my backyard, broke down for a while.
1 year you had no insurance on the car?
I wasn't
the car-
driving it.
Told you Judge Judy was going to be pissed off. So the irony here is that typically in a court of law, whether or not you do or don't have insurance is not even usually admissible. And it really shouldn't be important here. The question really is who's at fault and who's entitled to damages or money because the other person is at fault. It really shouldn't matter who does or doesn't have insurance, but this is TV court. The rules are a little different here. And again, Judge Judy's already mad. She's already thinking of finding for the other person on this basis alone. Let's see how it shakes out.
I'm speaking. Was the car registered in the year 2016 in the state of, this happened in California?
Yes.
In the state of California, was it registered in the year 2016?
Yes.
So you paid for registration for the car in 2016?
My father did,
What?
yes.
I don't care who paid for it. I don't care who paid for it. Was the car registered in 2015?
Yes.
So again, Judge Judy's kind of digging into issues that aren't really relevant to fault, but she wants to know, hey, did you register the car? Yeah, you registered it, but you weren't paying for the insurance. Again, just more stuff that's irritating Judge Judy. So now we're going to actually talk about facts that would normally be admissible in a case like this, which is what the heck happened in this car crash.
To the map and tell me what happened in this accident.
All right. I
Now we got a chart.
was coming home from getting food for my family, and I am here. I was going to a stop, and
Well, you can see here in the images, right? She's going straight. The other driver is turning left. Driver going straight is going to have the right of way. I really don't need to hear any more of the facts. I can tell you that based on this, if she's telling the truth and it's accurate, this plaintiff is going to win.
that's when the defendant pulled out in front of me, and I did not have enough time.
Is that a shopping?
This is the gas station.
Gas
This is
station.
the AM/PM, yes. She had pulled out in front of me. I did not have enough time to stop, nor did I have room to swerve because there was a car.
So she was coming out of a gas station?
Yes.
You had the right of way. You were on a two-lane highway?
Yes.
Two-lane street?
Yes, this is a turning lane.
And you were driving in the left-hand lane?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You can go back. That's yours. Go over. It looks like pretty much the same to me, right?
That's not how it happened, though. I can tell
Were
you.
you coming out of a gas station?
I had pulled out already.
That's okay. You were coming out of a gas
I was
station.
in the turning lane already.
There's no turning lane there.
Yes, there is. It goes like this. Can I show you? Is that okay? Maybe the map's wrong, but what you have here is there's a lane here to go right onto Highway 18.
Listen to me. That's not where you were.
No.
Just point out where you were.
This is a turning lane. I was in the turning lane, sitting there, right there. I was sitting there. There was cars here waiting to turn to go on to Highway 18. And my car, the rear end of it.
You gotta love that look on Judge Judy's face, right? You can already tell where this is headed. She's not buying whatever this lady's trying to sell, quite frankly. I don't know what she's trying to say, but let's see if she can articulate any type of reason why she wouldn't be at fault for this crash. I don't think she's gonna be able to.
I was already sitting here waiting for the light to turn green.
Then you were
And
over the
she-
yellow line.
Correct.
Fix your car, please.
So she's over the yellow line. She's not where she's supposed to be. I don't think Judge Judy necessarily even believes her testimony, but the bottom line is that other driver has the right of way. Let's see how this shakes out.
After the accident, did she take off?
Yes.
Oh boy. So now we have a driver that has no insurance, has taken the right of way, and left the scene of a crash. These are really bad facts for the defendant. You don't ever want to leave the scene of a crash. Don't do that. Just wait there. Wait for the police to come. This is a slam dunk case, and Judge Judy is going to award damages against this defendant, guaranteed.
No.
Can I see a picture of it?
Yes. I have multiple pictures.
Were you given a ticket for not having insurance?
For not providing insurance.
Were you
Yes,
giving a ticket? The
I
answer
was.
is yes. Judgment for the plaintiff, the amount of $2,500.
That's
We're
not
finished.
okay.
Thank you.
So you got a pissed off defendant there. I'm not sure exactly what witness she would have had that would have been helpful. I don't think there was one. But at the end of the day, she lost before she started. She's driving without insurance. She left the scene of a crash. No judge is going to look sympathetically there. Win for the plaintiff.